Right
Right here.
That's where you're feeling that area?
Yeah, like it feels, I feel a node or like a huge knot.
Let me find that.
Can't
Ooh,
really-
right at the base. Is
Yeah.
you feeling here? Or where else?
It's
Oh, right in the middle of the neck?
right there.
Oh yeah, I do feel it.
It's like I slept funny and I can't get it right.
Almost like a kink right there.
Yeah.
All right, lift your head up for me. Back down. So that was C5 testing. We're gonna adjust C5. I'm gonna use an instrument. You okay, Lindsay? Good. Big breath. Release it out. Turn your head right. Keep it there. Back to the center. On your back. We're going to adjust right at T4, 5, and 6 on her. So that test that you saw me do, breath in, isolated mainly T6, and then let out. There. Feel that? Good job. All right, so now we're going to come down to the big one right here. You can stop hugging yourself. Good job. Open this up, C5, 6. Here we go. There it is. Lift your head, back down. Is that bothering the earrings?
No.
Okay. We're gonna traction right at C5, 6. Do a stretch right here. Gently push into my hands, 10% of your strength, and relax. Push into me, and relax. Good. And let's have you sit up. I'm going to have you face the chair to your right over that way. Let's see if that nodule came down. Does it feel a little better in there?
Feels a lot
Just reinforcing what we did at C5, 6, and occiput C1 right there. I'm glad you came in because guess what? I'm on vacation next week. We would have been closed.
It works out.
No injuries over the holidays, right?
Exactly.
Otherwise, you're gonna have to wait till 2018 to see me. All right, how's that feel? Better?
Much better.
I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington. If you have a pain in the neck or someone is a pain in your neck, we can help. I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic, Lacey, Olympia, Washington. Thank you for watching.